Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken taquitos, and I've already started. This is 3 large chicken breasts that I boiled with a whole onion split into quarters, and I put in some of this chicken bouillon right here to season the water, which will flavor the chicken. And then once that was cooked, I shredded it. And I added 1 small can of tomato sauce, some more of the chicken bouillon, some cayenne pepper, chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. And I will list the amount of the ingredients in the description for you. And I'm about to heat up some corn tortillas. I got this 30 pack. I don't know how many all this chicken's gonna make, but I got a handful of tortillas right here that I wrapped in a damp paper towel and put into like a Walmart bag. And I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for about 2 minutes to heat it up so I can roll these up. And I also got these mozzarella string cheese, and I cut them into quarters lengthwise. And I'm gonna put the chicken, 1 of these, into the corn tortilla, roll it, and put it in the fryer, which I have oil heating up in a cast iron skillet on medium-high heat. And I'm using vegetable oil. Okay, I got my tortillas out the microwave, and I'm going to show you how I roll them. Get 1 piece of the string cheese I cut. Some chicken. And you're going to fold it over, tuck it, roll it. And we're going to keep doing that for however much this chicken's going to roll. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I just want to show you some of the taquitos that I am frying right now. And again, I have it on a medium to medium-high heat. You don't want it too high because obviously it'll cook too fast. And because the chicken and the cheese will start popping in that grease, and you don't want to get burned. Okay, so this is the taquitos. There was more, but my son came and got some. And I put it in a strainer with paper towels so they can stand up to drain off the grease. But if you don't have a strainer, you can use a big bowl, put paper towels in it, and then stand them up to drain. Alright, we're about to have dinner now. I hope y'all give this a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you do try it, let me know how you like it, or if you changed it up, so make it your own. Alright, I'll see y'all next video. Bye!